The NSK ela-b014cfs-03 is a customized dual-axis servo motor controller used in an Applied Material XP robot with an AMAT number 0190-19864. We received this motor controller with no specific fault, but considering its age, we performed a full rebuild. After we rebuilt this motor control, we attached both motors to the system and verified no problems or errors were generated by the driver. We then attached a motor and fully tested each axis for proper operation. ERD has extensive experience with NSK drivers going back to the 90s, and this more modern controller is no problem for repair at ERD. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.